afternoon. Thank you for joining me on another paint pour today. Today I'm going to try and do just a little mini swipe, just using my Dutch pour paints, a licorice black base and just a bit of DecoArt and Amsterdam Titanium white. So we will see how that is going to turn out. Hopefully I will get some cells. I'll just flood my canvas and be straight back. Okay, so I'm going to have a black base, I think, today. So I've already painted my canvas black just for more coverage. So I'm just going to put this on, fast forward, and I will be back. Okay, I'm just going to take some of this off on the side. Okay, so I'm just going to lay some colours down. So I'll do the pink and the blue. So the first one was Amsterdam Persian Rose. This one is Amsterdam Brilliant Blue. Then I've got Amsterdam Naples Yellow Deep. Then I'm just going to put some metallics 24 karat gold through there. And just a little bit of the titanium white. Just zigzag through there as well. Okay. Then I'm just going to put a bit of black in the middle. I was going to go from top to bottom, but I've decided I'm just going to go from the middle. Okay, so just got this plastic, bit of plastic, which I've just dropped in the paint. And we will just, okay, here we go. I'll just swipe this down. Well, I think I've just dragged all the paint. Okay. Might do another one. Another one up here. Okay. Another one down the bottom. Just keep swiping it until you've swiped the whole canvas. This is only a little mini one. Okay, just let that sit for a minute. See what colours come up. It's actually quite cute. I don't think I'm going to torch it. I actually like what cells it has, except for where I took most of it off here. Maybe I can do don't know whether I want to mess with it. Might just tilt it a bit this way. Bring it back. So that's quite different. Might just go over it again. Okay. Okay, let's see what it does this time. Okay. Might get my little balloon. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, I might bring you down to have a little bit of a look and let me know what you think. So that was just using quite a bit of a sterling Floetrol, which brings up some cells. Also what brings up the cells is the metallics, the DecoArt metallics. So might let that dry and see what that looks like, but meanwhile I will bring you down to have a quick look. So that's certainly quite different. some shimmer in there. Usually I would do the swipes with the house paint, but I thought I'd just do it with my Dutch pour paint just to see what effect I would get. Which is quite different. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like the video, please press like. If you would like to subscribe, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you soon for another pour.